Creating content regularly is one of the biggest challenges for creators, marketers, and small business owners. You need ideas, planning, captions, and posts for the different platform. And doing all of this every day can feel overwhelming. Many people stop posting simply because they run out of the ideas or time. This is where an AI content planner like Vocable AI can make a big difference. Vocable AI is designed to help you to plan and generate the content for multiple channels in a very simple way. It helps you to create ideas and content plans for an entire month in one go. This means you don't have to think daily about what to post. Vocable AI is especially useful for content creators, solopreneurs, agencies, and businesses that want to stay consistent online. The tool is available as a lifetime deal through the AppSumo, which makes it very attractive for long-term use without monthly fees. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow using the smart tools and special deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to check out the Vocable AI through AppSumo. By using the description link, the lifetime deal and the special offer, that will be applied automatically. So you can start planning your content without recurring cost. Now let's come to the main part of the video and understand how Vocable AI works and why it can be helpful for your content strategy. The main strength of Vocable AI is content planning. Instead of creating posts one by one, Vocable AI helps you to generate a full content plan for many days at once. You tell the tool about your niche, audience, and goals, and the AI suggests content ideas that match your brand. This saves a lot of thinking, time, and removes the creative block. Vocable AI is also supports multi-channel content. This means you can plan content for different platforms like social media, blogs, and other channels from one place. The AI adjusts content ideas based on the platform, so you don't have to rewrite everything manually. This is very helpful for beginners who are not sure how content should look on different platforms. Another big advantage is the consistency. Many people know what to post, but they fail to post regularly. Vocable AI helps you to stay consistent by giving you a clear plan. When you already know what to post every day, content creation becomes much easier and less stressful. The tool is also very easy to use. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. You don't need any technical skills or AI knowledge. You simply follow the steps, enter some basic information, and the AI does the work for you. This makes Vocable AI suitable for freelancers, small business owners, and creators who want fast results. Vocable AI is also helpful and useful for teams and the agencies. Instead of brainstorming the content ideas in meetings, teams can use the AI to generate plans and then focus on the execution. This saves time and improves the productivity. Cost is another important factor. Many AI content tools charge monthly fees, which can become expensive over the time. Vocable AI's lifetime deal on AppSumo allows you to pay once and use the tool long term. This is especially helpful for startups and the solopreneurs who want the predictable cost and good value. Vocable AI can be used in many ways. Content creators can plan the social post, businesses can plan the promotional content, coaches can plan educational content, agencies can use it for multiple clients. Because it focuses on planning, it helps you to stay organized and ahead of the schedule. Overall, Vocable AI is a practical AI content planner for anyone who wants to generate and organize the content easily. It saves time, reduces stress, and help you to stay consistent across multiple channels. The lifetime deal through AppSumo makes it a smart option for long-term content planning without monthly fees. So that's all for today's video. If this Vocable AI review helped you to understand how it works and how it can improve your content workflow, give this video a like and share it with someone who struggles with content planning. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Don't forget to check the link from description and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.